in a song y'all can step with. Y'all appointed me to bring rap justice, but I ain't 5-0, y'all know it's Nas, yo. Grey Goose and a whole lot of hydro only describe us as soldier survivors. Stay laced in the best, well dressed with finesse in a white tee, looking for wifey. The girl who fly and talk so nicely, put her in the coupe so she can feel the night breeze. We can drive through the city, no doubt, but don't say my car's topless. Say the titties is out. Newness, here's the anthem. Put your hand up that you shoot with, count your loot with. Push the pool stick in your new crib, same hand that you hoop with. Swing around like you stupid.
Did wrong, someone send me up vertically, horizontally, read me a passage from Deuteronomy. Anything you can do to conquer the demon inside of me, any meaning and truth from the Father, the Spirit guided me. I can bleed in the booth and leave the tooth as a souvenir for who was here. And if you hearing it, you know the Spirit is imperative, imperative, imperial. Black man, pyramid, the pyramid, Jack man with the cash, scratching off the cereal. Black man, get the pack, money in the envelope, that's it down the ear, no. Ass man in the strip club, till it bend it over, gon' give it to her, she been working for it, hey. You gon' make a nigga cop a Birkin for your hey. You the bomb, look, I got a turban for your babe. Beat a nigga till he color purple for your babe. I'm a murder for your babe, 730 for your A.
Yeah, you listen to DJ Flag on the ones and twos. Bringing that funk for you.
Hot shit. Check it what you saying, yo? Silly with my 9 milli, what the dilly, yo? When I be on the mic, yes, I do my duty, yo. While up in the club like we while in the studio. You don't wanna violate, nigga, really and truly, yo. My main thug, nigga named Julio, he moody, yo. Type of nigga that'll slap you with the tulio. Bitch, nigga scared to death, act fruity, yo. Fuck that, look at shorty.